To convert radians to degrees, again, if you remember all your multiples of 30s, 60s, and 45s, life becomes quite easy. So I remember that pi on 3 is equals to 60 degrees, pi on 6 equals to 30 degrees. I know pi on 4 equals to 45 degrees. I know pi on 2 equals to 90 degrees. And I know pi is 180 degrees. Okay, I know this. Then for questions such as convert, let's say 7 pi on 6 to degrees. Okay. My eyes go straight onto pi on 6 and say, hey, pi on 6 is 30 degrees. Right? So then I'm going to go, okay, well, 7 pi on 6. 7 pi on 6 literally is 7 times by pi on 6, isn't it? So 7 pi on 6 is literally 7 times by pi on 6, which means it must be 7 times by 30 degrees, which is 210 degrees. Easy. Alright, so if you remember your your multiples of 30, 60, 45, 90, and 180, life becomes a lot simpler. But sometimes you might be asked to convert, that's horrible too. You might be asked to convert a number that is not so nice, let's say, I don't know, pi on 5 to degrees. Okay, how do you do that? Now remember we said to convert to radians, we had theta on 180 times by pi. If I were to rearrange this, I can say 180 times by r or over pi must be theta. Okay, so what that means is, okay, let's go back to this question. That means pi on 5, what is that to degrees? That must be pi on 5 times by 180 divided by pi. Okay, so if you put that in your calculator, you're going to get the pi's will cancel out. You get 180 divided by 5, which would give you 36 degrees.